Alright, what is up, guys? We're gonna do a little, some videos. We haven't done a video in a little bit. But we're just gonna do a little minor video. We're gonna change out this ESC connector. We're just gonna heat up this solder stuff. I mean the flux. Oops, my bad. But yeah, we're just gonna mess with this a little bit. Like just install the connector. We are gonna eventually maybe put this ESC in this motor. And we're gonna do it in the Rapid Pro. We're gonna upgrade the Rapid Pro. I mean, we did upgrade it already, but we're gonna upgrade it to a different ESC, because that ESC is capable of. So that's only capable of probably 4400 kV motor in there. Not sure what it is, but we're gonna find out what it does with this motor and stuff like that. We'll do a little upgrade on it. Guess we got some motors to mess with, so I mean it's only its quality's not bad, but I feel it's got more potential with the body, stuff like that. So we're gonna move this over here. Okay, so we can do that there. Take that out of there. Take that out of there. Connection here. Made that, put that connector there, so we're pretty secure, so we just tighten this up. Yeah, it was a Dean connector in there, but we got rid of the Dean connector, so upgrade this ESC. It's a 3S capabilities, independent switch on it, so 2S battery here, so we'll just connect it. We'll see if it makes sure it goes on. Alright, so we got power and everything like that, so connector's good. Yeah, we gotta fix those with the Okay, we hit the power button again. I gotta fix these like connectors and stuff, the covers and stuff. So yeah, we just did a quick video on this. Nice little solder on that connector and stuff like that. So, all right. So if you don't mind, subscribe to this channel. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and yeah, subscribe to it. You can be able to get the all, and you get more content when we go live, or when the video goes live. Sometime I'm gonna be streaming live. Sometime maybe, I'm not sure yet, on some rebuilds or repairs. Alright, thank you for checking out this video.